Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about rectifiers, half wave and full wave. Now see the circuit, it is the half wave rectifier circuit. It has a single diode and here I am giving a input sinusoidal voltage, and across that I will get, across the resistance I will get the voltage output. And now here it is the full wave rectifier. I am giving here another AC supply, and this is a bridge circuit of diodes. 4 diodes are used and I will get an output. Now the difference is that half wave rectifier I have used only one diode, and for full wave rectifier for the bridge circuit I have used 4 diodes. Now what will happen for half wave rectifier? See, AC, so there will be 2 cycles, positive and negative. For the positive half cycle, mean that half cycle, positive half cycle, so just name it here. It is the positive half cycle and it is the negative half cycle. So the positive half cycle, diode 1 will be conduct, it will be forward bias. So for the positive half cycle it will conduct here, and here will be a supply. But for the negative half cycle, diode will be reverse bias, so there will be no conduction. So the circuit output will look like, for the positive half cycle, yes, it is an output. No for negative half cycle, and again the next positive half cycle it will be the output. Now for full wave rectifier, here 4 different diodes are used. So for positive half cycle here also, the circuit supply will be from supply to diode 1 to the resistance and to diode 3. And for negative half cycle, it will be to diode 3, then resistance, and to diode 4. So the conduction will look like, for diode 1 and diode 2, here diode 1 and diode 2, and here diode 3 and diode 4. For negative half cycle, it will be the conduction between diode 3 and diode 4. Again simultaneously diode 1 and diode 2. Now for the half wave rectifier, the output voltage, that means the V out, what I am getting, 1 for the positive half cycle, no for the negative half cycle. Again the positive half cycle, there will be an output. So it will be just Vn by pi. And for the negative half cycle, for the full wave rectifier, the output voltage will be V0 is equals to Vin by pi multiplied by 2, because it is providing both for the half cycles. So for full wave rectifier, it is V0 is equals to 2 Va in by pi, and for the half wave rectifier it is V in by pi. Thank you.